Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Foer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for August 8th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see stocks close mostly lower today on lighter volume once again, but there was one bright spot, and that was the NASDAQ. It's up now for the 7th straight session. Let's start with the Dow. Down 45 points today. The S&P 500 was down just 0.75, so barely moved it on, and these are very low range days. There's a very small movement from high to low today. The NASDAQ gaining about 4.5 points. Again, a very small candle there, and the Russell losing a little less than 1.5 points today. The bond market gaining slightly. That took the yield on the 10-year note down a notch. It is now at 2.964. Crude oil took a hit today. This on escalating tensions between the U.S. and China on trade. Crude down at the official close $2.42, or almost 3.5%, while gold gaining a little less than 4 points here on some weakness in the U.S. dollar. Now, earlier in the week we talked about Netflix and the potential trade setups coming up. Today I want to have a look at Facebook. And Facebook, after earnings, absolutely collapsed here and put in a huge gap. Now, it has been rebounding. Looking at the daily chart, not a whole lot to do here just yet. We do have strong downward momentum, but really after this gap, we could look for a continuation of this retracement back into that downsloping 20 and then look for an opportunity to short there. But that's at a minimum a few days away. We look at the weekly chart, and we could be in for a nice long setup here if we continue to edge higher here into the end of the week. Looking at the monthly chart, this looks a lot more promising. We have a solid trend in place, solid upward momentum here. We've retested this 20-period moving average multiple times along this stretch, and it's worked out nicely each time. Here we are again. If we continue here or close out the month like this, I think this would be a great buying opportunity, especially since we are near all-time highs. We get above 218.62, and there's absolutely no resistance up ahead. There's very little up ahead right now. So certainly we're not at the end of the month yet, but this is something to keep on a watch list and keep an eye on. Near term, prospects not looking too great for Facebook, but longer term, they certainly are looking pretty good on that monthly chart. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.